Alright folks, so here we are at Fiddler's Green Irish Pub and Eatery, and we have eaten here before and it really has incredible, I would say 5-star Irish, authentic Irish food. And obviously we're in Orlando, so we took time to stop here because it is one of our favorite places. And we're going to get some food here, and as you can see the decor, it's just a nice, quaint Irish pub. I mean, you can't beat it. And being that we're Irish ourselves, we feel at home. Wouldn't you say? Yeah. Alright. So we'll share with you what we get. But this is just the start of our 30-day summer adventure. You ready? Yeah. Alright, so we are at Fiddler's Green Irish Pub and Eatery. We just got done. I had the bangers and mash. What'd you have?
Steak tips.
How was it?
Amazing.
So would you rate it what out of 5 stars?
4.5.
4.5. So I would agree. I would say it's pretty dang good. Atmosphere great. Authentic Irish music playing. They probably have excellent cold beer. I didn't get any this time, but I did last time. I've got to drive. So we're out here on the front sidewalk and we're wrapping it up. But if you're anywhere near Orlando and you have any kind of inkling to get some Irish food, you're not going to get any better than Fiddler's Green Irish Pub and Eatery. Check them out for real. What do you say?
It's great.
What's up? How's everybody doing? Just taking an opportunity to fill everybody in on what's going on. We just dropped Catherine off, also known as Bassin Queen, at the airport, and she is on her way to the Appalachian Trail. Well, she'll be spending 21 days on the trail again, like she did last year, but she's doing a lash again on a different section of the trail. So while we're here and dropping her off, we decided we would go do some exploring ourselves. So I have Parker right here, who is totally uninterested and has absolutely no desire whatsoever to be doing this. But we're gonna go to Bass Pro Shop and we're gonna go a few other places and we're gonna just see what we can come up with, what kind of trouble we can get into, what kind of cool stuff. Maybe we'll come up with a challenge. Maybe Parker will challenge his old man to a fish off where he will lose badly.
Yeah, right.
But we'll let you know. We'll keep you informed. But videos will be coming soon of Catherine on the AT. So here at Fat Matt Outdoors, we're not just a fishing channel, we're an outdoor channel. So you'll get some insight into the Appalachian Trail, and then we're going to be spending the next month fishing throughout the southeastern United States. So some Alabama, some Virginia, West Virginia, maybe the Carolinas, Pennsylvania, and chasing just about every species we can find in that area. So stay tuned, more stuff's coming soon. It's going to be better than any of the other stuff out there right now. So we hope you come along. And we're going into Academy to see what else we can find as far as fishing and gear go. And as you can see on the sign there, best prices in Florida. So we're gonna go see what we can come up with. Anyway, we may show you what we're looking at, so you can come along with us. Alright, just take a real quick minute here. We just received a package from Mountain House. Taste of Home for Fat Matt Outdoors. This is, they were running a 20% special if you ordered from them directly, and this is part of Catherine's resupply. Many of you know she's currently out on the AT. So we're going to open this up real quick. and just kind of run through what's in here. 20% discount on the entire order. And you know, if you guys have had this stuff before, you know it's not bad. Certainly it's a reasonable solution while you're out in the trail in the woods and you're trying to keep the pack light. You know, you got a whole package here. Total weight 6. It serves 2. So raspberry crumble. Here is the packing slip. We saved quite a bit of money on this with the 20% off. So you figure every $10 item was $8. Apple crisp. Apple crisp. Oh look, an ice cream sandwich. Chicken and dumplings. Breakfast skillet. Chicken fajita bowl. Breakfast skillet. Granola with milk and blueberries. Breakfast hash. Granola with milk and blueberries. Chicken and dumplings. Chicken fajita bowl. Pasta primavera. Pasta primavera. Macaroni and cheese. Who doesn't like macaroni and cheese? Mexican style rice and chicken. Lasagna. She says this is her favorite. So we got quite a few of those. Lasagnas. Oh look, another ice cream sandwich. Chili mac with beef. Lasagnas. Beef stroganoff. Beef stew. Chicken fried rice. Chicken fried rice. Turkey dinner casserole. And turkey dinner casserole. So, this is part of her resupply. Obviously, we're not going to send it all to her at one time. But much of this stuff will find its way into her hands via pickup locations and post offices and so forth and so on over the next 21 days. She's not going to need it all, but we went ahead and took advantage to order a little bit of extra so that it could be used at different times and should she decide to be out on the trail a little bit longer. And then we've got some adventures planned afterwards. So again, I don't know if Mountain House is still running the deal, but literally 20% off. So $100 is $80 worth of merchandise. $200 is $160 worth of merchandise. So definitely worth it. I would encourage you, if you have the opportunity, to run over to Mountain House. If you have any kind of use for this stuff, it's about as good as you can get on the trail. Easy to make. A little bit of boiling water. Seal the package up. Let it reconstitute, and it's ready to go. Small footprint trash-wise. Super light. Convenient. You know, and you can't beat a hot meal when it comes to spending 8-10 hours on the trail. Many other options out there, so I'm not telling you it's the only option available, but it is the option that we're using this year, along with being able to get junk food and stuff in the little towns. So anyway, update. See you guys out on the trail. Okie dokie. So, Sassy, come here. So we are in Dothan, Alabama, and we are at Academy Sports in Dothan, Alabama. Just taking a pit stop real quick. We're taking our time. And as you can see, I have the dogs with me. This is the little one, that is Sassy, and this is Thor. They're our travel companions since we're on such a long adventure. We didn't feel like boarding them or kenneling them, so they are with us, and they will be staying with us throughout the trip as we take the opportunity to fish multiple areas. I've got about 2 days worth of road grime on me, and we'll be at our destination today, but we can always just take things a little bit slow. And with traveling with dogs, you got to stop and take a little extra time to get them out and make sure they have water and food and so forth. I'm sure many of you guys travel with dogs or have traveled with dogs in the past, so you know what I'm talking about. So anyway, just kind of an update. Other than that, going to be lots of fishing, other stuff, but we're safe. We're traveling safe, and we should be in good shape, and we'll keep you guys up to date. Hope you guys are being safe. Hope you guys are enjoying the summer. Hope you're taking the opportunity to get outdoors anytime you get a chance, whether it's just sitting in the woods or reading a book in your backyard. Nothing like being outdoors.